You will be having one of the best student experiences, which you will cherish for the rest of your life. Introducing Hepworth Lodge, one of the most luxurious accommodations for students in Leeds. If sharing is not something that bothers you, then you can go for an ensuite where you will be sharing a fully equipped kitchen with your roommates. But if you prefer a little more privacy, then you can choose a studio for yourself. Not keeping in mind the kind of room you opt for, staying here ensures that you have a private bathroom. Apart from all these fantastic amenities, this property features a courtyard where you can unwind after a long day. The location is one of the highlights of the property. The University of Leeds and Leeds City College are both within a 20-minute walk, making day-to-day traveling simpler. Situated at a short stroll away from the city center, it is home to a large number of high street and independent stores. And if you want to dance through the night, there are numerous pubs and nightclubs in close vicinity. The Henry Moore Institute and Leeds Art Gallery are a 10-minute walk from your room and provide a free entrance. Connect with us at amberstudent.com. Make sure you get the room you live in the most today.